Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Huda's Anything Anywhere, and in this video we will be seeing some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay. So let us start with the video. Now we already know with the thing that chemistry deals with matter. Chemistry deals with matter, its composition, structure, property, etc. So what is matter? You already know matter is something, anything which occupies space and has mass, that is weight. We also know that matter is of three types: solid, liquid, gas. It is in three forms: solid, liquid, and gaseous form. Smallest part. So, what is the smallest part of this great word? It is an atom. Smallest part of a matter is atom. Clear? Now, some basic this we already know what is chemistry, what it deals with, etc. Now let us see some definitions or some topics like elements. What is an element? So element is something, if all atoms are of same type, then it is known as identical atom. Okay, all atoms, suppose hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element. H2, in this atom there are two elements, so this is known as identical atom. Okay, O2. So oxygen, O is an element. Okay, nitrogen is an element. Clear? Coming to what is a molecule. Molecule is group of atoms. Group of atoms. Okay, now coming to what is symbol. Symbol is a shorthand representation of an element. Okay, instead of writing hydrogen, we just represent it with H. This is nothing but symbol. Instead of writing nitrogen, we represent it with by N. Instead of writing potassium, we represent it by K. Okay, instead of writing iron, we represent it by Fe. Whereas iron doesn't start with Fe, so its word is ferrum. So we know this all. So that is simply something with shorthand representation of an element. What is a compound? What's a compound? Compound is nothing but it's a molecule of atoms of different elements. It's a molecule means we already know a group of atoms, so it's a group of atoms, it's a molecule wherein atoms are of different element. Suppose if I write water, H2O, how many elements we can see? We can see two elements. It is a molecule made up of hydrogen and oxygen, right? It is a molecule, it is a group of atoms also, two atom, one atom. Okay, that is total three atoms are there. So compound means it is a molecule, group of atoms of different elements, means hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, is that clear? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, now coming to next. What is atomicity? Ever we have heard this word atomicity? So atomicity is number of atoms present in a molecule. Number of atoms present where in a molecule, that is number of atoms present in a group of group of element, group of atoms. Suppose if we take oxygen, O2, here how many atoms are present? Two atoms, so we say this molecule as diatomic. Diatomic because the atomicity is diatomic. The atomicity is 2, that is oxygen atomicity is 2. Now coming to, suppose sodium, one atom is there here, we say it as monoatomic. Okay, if we take carbon dioxide or water, H2O, you can see here one and here there are three, so 3 is known as triatomic. Coming to 4, where is we write P4, phosphorus, here 4 are there, that is tetraatomic. Clear? भैया अम्मी now you should know the word polyatomic also. Polyatomic means more than two atoms if they are present. Instead of telling triatomic, tetratomic, if it is not it, if it is a diatomic or more than two or more than two atoms are present, then we say it as polyatomic. Okay, now solve this. If I give you PbNO3 2, what will we do? This, how many elements are there, sorry, how many atoms are there? See, Pb, that is lead, is 1 here. Nitrogens, it is, see, nitrogens bracket is there, that is 2 plus 2. Oxygen, it is 3 2s are 6. We should multiply 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 6. So we will get 9. 9. What is the atomicity of PbNO3? It is Pb nitrate, lead nitrate is 9. Atomicity is 9. Coming to aluminium, SO4, taken thrice. Aluminium sulfate, taken thrice. Aluminium, here it is 2. Here S is nothing but 1 into 3 is 3. 4 into 3 is 4, 3 is 12. Your answer will be 17. The atomicity is nothing but 70. Remember this. Is that clear? Now what is a formula? Formula, chemical formula, we say something like that. Shorthand form of name of compound is formula. Compound is given. Suppose just now we took PbNO3. Okay, suppose PbNO3. This is lead nitrate. Instead of writing this much big, we write PbNO3. PbNO3 is nothing but formula. Lead nitrate is something but, here it is compound only. Instead of writing whole lead nitrate in word, we write it in numbers or letters or numericals. That is formula. Clear? Now we should know the at least first 30 elements, which starts with hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, etc. till zinc. 30 elements you should know. Okay, so I will just write for you. Suppose hydrogen, helium, okay, no wait, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Okay, now you need to know the symbols. Hydrogen symbol is H, helium symbol is He, lithium symbol is Li, beryllium symbol is Be, boron symbol is B. Okay, what is the atomic number of H? Hydrogen, that is hydrogen, it is 1. For helium it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Atomic number is very easy if you know the order of these elements. Coming to atomic mass, 1, double of 2, 4, double of 3, 6 plus 1, 7, double of 4, 8 plus 1, 9, double of 5, 10 plus 11, 1, 11. Then coming to carbon, it is double of 6, that is 12. It is not double of 6 plus 1. So some places it is double, the atomic mass is double of the atomic number, or sometimes it is double and plus 1. Clear? Now suppose if I ask you to write about the helium symbol, many people will write in mistake He. That is wrong. H is capital, E is small. Remember this, every time it is written, the symbols are written, the first letter is capital, the remaining letters are small letters. Clear with this? Okay, very good. Now let us see the next thing. So, okay, yeah. Our next topic is like subatomic particles. So this topic we will discuss in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. We will be discussing about subatomic particles, that is electrons, protons and neutrons, in our next video. Okay, till then, bye.